So, in the past few months, my channel has really grown a lot thanks to the videos that I've been making on MacBooks. Pretty much all I've done since about September is make videos on MacBook Pro deals, which MacBooks you should buy, helping people out with selling MacBooks, flipping them to make some money, and that sort of thing. Now, since I've been doing that, I've gotten a lot of comments and emails from you guys asking for my advice, talking about the deals that you've gotten, and I think that's a really great thing, so I want to foster that kind of discussion in a more condensed platform. So what I've done is created a subreddit that I intend for you guys to use as an outlet for discussion, to ask me questions, to discuss deals, to post your findings online, and that sort of thing. So here I am, this is what the subreddit looks like. You can see there's not much on it right now, I just have a welcome post that I made. And of course, there's only one reader because it is brand new. So I'm going to post this link in the description of every video that I make now so that I can try and get as many people on here as possible. My goal with this is that you guys can post if you have questions, and I'll be able to answer them, as well as other people in our community that can give you guys help. So I've gotten a ton of emails and questions and comments in all of my videos, and frankly it's more than I can answer all at once, so I figure if we have a bunch of people on here, we can kind of help each other out. So I'll be on here as much as I can, answering your guys' questions and seeing what you guys have to show, but also you guys can help each other out, so if people have questions you can get more than one opinion, and hopefully this will be a pretty great place to have discussions. Okay, so yeah, as I said, at the end of every video, I'm going to have a link in the description, as well as give a shout out to this subreddit at the end of every video that I make. So if you're watching this video, then it probably means you're subscribed to me, because otherwise it wouldn't really be worth clicking on. So I encourage you to go over and join this subreddit, post any questions, get some content on here so that we can start a discussion. So that's it for this quick update video. Let me know on the subreddit what you think of this idea, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the internet.